Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Authenticator codes for time sync issues. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Observe the 6-digit codes displayed for your accounts. If the codes are not working, you may have a time sync issue. Begin by checking the time setting on your mobile device. Go to your device's settings menu. Locate the date and time section. Ensure that automatic date and time is enabled. If it is already enabled, try disabling it, then re-enabling it. Next, return to the Google Authenticator app. Tap on the 3 vertical dots or menu icon. Select Time Correction for codes from the options. Choose Sync Now to correct any time discrepancies. After syncing, check the codes again in the app. Next, try logging into your account using the new codes. If the codes still do not work, consider removing and re-adding the account. To do this, tap on the account you want to remove. Select the option to delete or remove the account from Google Authenticator. Then, follow the steps to add your account back in. Scan the QR code or input the secret key provided by the service. Wait for the app to generate new codes for your account. Test the new codes to ensure they are functioning correctly. If the issue persists, check the time settings on the service's website. Ensure that you are using the correct time zone for your account settings. With these steps, you should be able to resolve any time sync issues with Google Authenticator. Now, your code should work seamlessly for secure access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.